having some lunch, right, see? Having some lunch by the beach.
We just painted some pages and it was so much fun and we loved it and I haven't painted in a while because of Max like a spoiler.
Yeah, I don't let them paint that much at home because then Max comes and like flings paint all over my house. So I don't let them paint much at home. So they just did their painting. We're having some lunch, some chicken nuggets. We dropped our pizza in the sand. It's all sandy. Dropped our pizza in the sand, so we're hoping to get a new one. And then I think Cece's gonna get her hair braided. Yeah? Gonna get her hair braided.
We are going to go to the scavenger hunt.
Yeah.
For only 8 through 10 people, so sadly Cece couldn't come.
But she's doing Cooking with Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
So hopefully mommy's getting some film of that.
Yeah, hope so.
Let's go over here.
Like,
Make sure. Otherwise, he told us to come here, but otherwise we might have to go to the kid camp. Check out the kid camp to see. Maybe that's where we need to start.
yeah, maybe.
Look at these guys go. Right from the beach, right to the sidewalk. She's a coconut. She's my little coconut.
I like coconut.
Actually, she's my little blueberry. Right? Blueberry. I don't know.
Blueberry.
I don't know if you guys know, but when Emma was itty bitty teeny weeny incy. When she was still in mommy's tummy, we used to call her baby Blue because at some point she was the size of a blueberry. So she was always called baby Blue.
And I called Cece a moose.
That's right, Cece was a moose. Alright, so we just found out we gotta head to the kids camp. So hopefully we make it there in time. Grandpa! We gotta go to the kids camp. Can you lead us there?
We're gonna meet you there?
Well, they told us we should go to the kids camp for the scavenger hunt.
Okay, you know where it is?
No clue, that's why we're glad we saw Grandpa.
So it's at the main beach, right?
Yeah, but we just went to the main beach and they told us we should go to the kids camp. Right? That's what he told us? Yeah.
Okay. Oh, where's Brittany? I just got her chicken. She left, all right?
Well, they went to the Cookie Monster cooking thing.
Oh, yeah. A little bit.
All right, guys, we're gonna go to the kids camp, try to find out where our scavenger hunt is, try to have some fun. Hey!
Hey, I guess there's no other kids signed up for it, so
Aww.
you can do it if you want, just one of you, but no other kids. So you might want to hang with your cousin.
I'm not doing it. I'm doing the scavenger hunt.
Can we do the scavenger hunt us though?
You can ask her if you still want to do it.
I'm the only one doing the scavenger hunt.
Yeah, they were.
Lazy River?
I'm gonna wait for them to
Ugh.
stand right now.
We're so bummed, guys.
Maybe you go out sailing with Dad.
No.
Emma, could you please?
No.
What if you came with Grandpa and me?
No.
With you. Keep an eye on you.
Emma,
Grandpa.
Emma, please. Look, I'm begging you.
No.
I'm begging her. I'm begging her.
No.
Come on, I'll buy you a toy.
I don't need a toy.
I'll give you more iPad time. Nothing?
I can
Hello.
run it myself.
What are you doing today?
Trying to convince her to sail.
No. No.
I love your swimsuit. It's pretty.
We were gonna do the scavenger hunt, but we apparently were the only ones signing up.
Oh, you don't want to do it?
Well, we do. Is it still fun to
You
do
win a
even if it's
prize?
just us?
What do you win? Win a prize?
Do it?
Yeah. You want to do it still? Yeah. Let's do it.
I'm gonna go get chicken B. You want your chicken over here?
Jack? Hi, Jack.
Give me a second. They'll get our shoes. Stay right here. Let me get your shoes.
Alright, so come on, get an apron. Go get an apron, guys. Cookie's coming. Stacey, did you get an apron? Not yet? Zach, you gotta go get one too, boo. Oh, did you get your hat, Cece? You need a hat. Looking good, Zach. Here, guys, smile. My little chefs. You look so cute. Cookie Monster. Yeah.
Favorite guest. And what you think Cookie Monster is here to do with us today?
Play.
Come on. You see what Cookie Monster is doing?
Eat cookies.
That's all he wants to do, right?
So when all the ingredients are mixed together, we form a dough. And this dough can be used to make chocolate chip cookies, rainbow cookies, peanut butter cookies, whatever type of cookies you want to bake. But today's specialty, what are we making?
Chocolate chip cookies.
So we're gonna put some chocolate chip in. Nice. So now we have our chocolate chip in our
Yum.
dough. So guess what we're gonna do now? We're gonna sing. Who likes to sing?
Me, teacher.
What's your name? This song we're gonna sing, it goes like this. Said what is in the cookie dough, you should say chocolate chips, chocolate chips.
Oh no.
Right? You heard that? What are we mixing? Cookie dough. What are we mixing? Cookie dough. What is in that cookie dough?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. Mix, 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 mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. What are we mixing? Cookie dough. Mixing cookie dough. What is in that cookie dough? Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Mix, 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 mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. What are we mixing? Cookie dough. What are we mixing? Cookie dough. What is in that cookie dough? Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Mix, 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 mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. What are we mixing?
Cookie dough.
What are we mixing?
Cookie dough.
What is in that cookie dough? Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Mix, mix,
Come on,
mix,
Zach.
mix, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. What are we mixing? Cookie dough. What are we mixing? Cookie dough. What is in that cookie dough? Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Mix, 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 mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. What are we mixing? Cookie dough. Yeah, come on, cookie dough. What is in the cookie dough? Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Roll, roll your dough gently in your hands. Put it on the table and make it really flat. Flat. All right, not too flat. Get the all right, let's go. I'll put the microphone. 1, 2. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
2 toppings.
Okay.
Toppings.
2 toppings. Let's do it. Hello. Okay, we just need 2 toppings for our scavenger hunt.
Just 2 toppings.
Which 2 do you want? You want to try something you haven't had? Some gummy worms? Some gummy worms and some M&Ms.
Just for a scavenger hunt?
Yep. Perfect. Quick, grab them. Thank you. I got the door for you.
A restaurant name.
A restaurant name.
Nos.
Can you say that one?
Kim Nos.
Kim knows. Okay. Oh my goodness. What else do we have?
Bartender name.
Okay, let's go to the bar right here. This way. Here, I'll hold this. Get an extra bartender name. No, we're on a scavenger hunt.
Oh, what are you guys looking for?
Bartender name.
What's the name? I was just looking for the name.
Yep.
President.
You got that? Presley. All right, thank you, Presley. All right, what's next?
Yellow leaf.
A yellow leaf.
Yellow leaf.
Come on, there's got to be a yellow leaf somewhere. Wait, I see him over here. Look,
Yellow leaf.
look over there by our room. See him on that bush?
Can you get the yellow leaf? Ow.
You want your sandals? Yellow leaf. What's next?
Flower.
Flower. Maybe in here. All right, look, look. Grab one. Okay, one flower. What do we got? Cup of ice. Oh, we could have got that at the bar. Perfect, thank you.
Counselor name.
Counselor name. Uh-oh.
Oh, we're by them?
Oh, we got to go back where the Cookie Monster is then. Counselor right there. Oh, we can ask her. She was helping us. And then look, I got a hat, I got sunglasses, and I got sandals in my hand.
Yes.
Is that all of them?
We just need a counselor name.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Right here. Okay.
You got the counselor's name?
No, not yet.
You didn't ask her.
That you still have some time. I can't give you mine.
Oh, we can't give her ours. Oh, look, quick, quick,
Go.
go.
Get the counselor.
Let's go back over this way.
Go, 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 go.
Go, which way? That way.
Oh, I can't.
You're over here.
No time. Right?
No, she gave us 5 minutes. Mommy, we need a counselor name. We need a counselor's name. Help us out.
Oh, Katrina.
Katrina? Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Whew.
Are you
Okay.
all done?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Where are the toppings from Yo-Yo?
Toppings.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Way to go, Emma. Great job.
All right, we did it.
Hi, Cookie Monster. Welcome back with the cookies. Cookie Monster. So, okay, kids, Cookie Monster, bring back the cookies.
Hi, Cookie.
Who's going to take pictures of Cookie Monster? You can go ahead and take pictures. Okay?
Yay, guys. Look at Aunt Allie first.
Nice baking.
Okay, now look at me.
They call you Carol.
Yeah.
Say bye to Cookie Monster. Who needs water? Let me see your head.
Ooh, cookie time. Cookie time.
Is it good?
So good. Is it good, Zach? What you need? Milk, water? What you need?
You want water or milk? You can't tell me bye.
Yay, Sissy.
Wow.
You guys made those cookies so fast.